Hello, my name is Nicolás Arvidio. Over the past 2 years, I was working in Rocket, which is an end-to-end information system and an academic project. It's a web application built with PHP and MySQL, along with front-end technologies like JavaScript, CSS using Bootstrap, and so on. I have had the chance to work on this project with two other people, and it markedly influenced me both personally and professionally, allowing me to participate in all the stages of the information system development lifecycle. That challenged me a lot, pushed me to grow, and ultimately inspired me in ways I didn't expect. From the very beginning of Rocket, I relied heavily on UML, Unified Modeling Language, and modeling techniques to give the project a solid foundation. In the business modeling phase, I use diagrams to capture requirements, map out processes, and visualize how different stakeholders will interact with the system. This helped me translate abstract needs into clear and structured models that guided every decision moving forward, right? As the project advanced into design and implementation, UML became my blueprint. Class diagrams, sequence diagrams, state transition diagrams, as well as use case modeling, for example, allow me to anticipate interactions between components of the system, for example, to address in great detail the system structure and the different functionalities and user needs, of course, and ensure the architecture was both scalable and maintainable. By modeling before coding, I reduced ambiguity and created a system that was easy to extend and to troubleshoot. When it came to testing, I introduced behavior-driven development (BDD) practices. Using Gherkin syntax in Jira, for example, I wrote scenarios that described system behavior in plain language, bridging the gap between technical requirements and user expectations. This approach made testing more transparent and collaborative, ensuring that every feature was validated against real-world use cases, right? Throughout the entire journey, I applied agile methodology with Scrum using Jira, but also a rigorous implementation of the documentation of the entire development process on Confluence, although agile methodologies allow for a reduction in the burden of such documentations, right? Working in iterative sprints taught me how to break down complex goals into manageable increments, prioritize tasks effectively, and adapt quickly to new insights or challenges. The daily discipline of Scrum rituals like planning, reviews, and retrospectives keep me focused and accountable, while also reinforcing the importance of continuous improving in the project, right? What impacted me most was how these methodologies transformed my mindset. Rocket wasn't just building an information system. It was about learning to think systematically, to embrace collaboration, and to see development as an evolving process rather than a fixed destination, right? Agile and modeling gave me clarity and confidence, qualities that now shape how I approach every technical challenge. So what inspired me most about Rocket was that it wasn't just a project, it was proof of what I could build with persistence and clarity. Every challenge I overcome showed me how far I have come as a developer and an analyst. It became a symbol of growth for me. Looking back, I'm proud of the work I did with Rocket, but even more grateful for how it shaped me and to my two colleagues. It inspired me to keep learning, to keep building, and keep aiming higher because the journey doesn't stop here. Thank you.